back. So today I'm going to be doing my Bath & Body Works fall haul for you. I might actually also include in some of my home decor items that I have been picking up. I have not shopped a terrible lot for those items, so I just might include them in this video instead of just trying to do like a shorter video. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing what I picked up, just keep on watching. I'll show you a couple of things I picked up. I did not buy all this stuff on one day. It's actually like 3 days. I had a little bit of trouble with a transaction that I wanted to do. I wanted to exchange, probably too much information, but I wanted to exchange some wallflowers because I had heard that you could exchange wallflowers if they had stopped working, and one of the sales associates at one store wouldn't let me do it, and it was just a big old dilemma. So, and I finally was able to do it, but it was just such a dilemma. I called customer service and everything and was finally able to get my wallflowers exchanged. Luckily I got it worked out, and Bath & Body Works is sending me a $10 gift card for a wallflower of my choice, so that is nice. They always have wonderful customer service online. I wish that the associates would be on the same page in all of their stores. But never mind about that. I'm just gonna go right in and show you what I picked up for fall. So the first thing I picked up are these. I got the body cream also, and I really love the smell of this one better than any of the other ones that they had out. Oh yeah, it's like to me it smells like it has some coconut in it, like a burnt coconut smell to me. Yeah, this was the only one I was interested in. I might actually go back and get the shower gel, but in my opinion the scent doesn't last on the skin as much, so I just usually just go for these two, and since I had a coupon for both of these, it worked out perfect. Okay, so next I picked up this love candle. Now this one caught me off guard because I was not expecting to fall in love with this candle, but guys, let me just tell you, oh my god, this candle smells so delicious. If you're a person that likes pink petal tea cake or any of the fragrances that have a flower scent and some kind of sweetness mixed in it, you are going to really love this one. It's not a real strong floral. That vanilla definitely calms it down. I just love this one. I probably could have picked up like 2 or 3 more of these. These are so good. I hope it stays out for a while because yeah, I need at least 2 more. This Love Pillow Mist, and I'm so excited to use this one. This is such a beautiful fragrance. These were free, so I got another Whipped Vanilla and Spice Fine Fragrance Mist in the travel size, and I did get the Champagne Apple Honey in the little travel size hand cream too. So me, it's nothing really special about this one, but I'm not really an apple girl. But if you like apple, you might actually really enjoy this one. I should have done all my candles all at once, but they were in separate bags, so yeah. I got moving along, I got the Vanilla Pumpkin and Marshmallow, and again, just looks like this. Beautiful scent as well. So sweet. And so I love to burn fragrances like this in my kitchen. And then I got flannel. Oh, and I love this packaging. I've never gotten flannel before, but something this year, my nose must have changed this year. Something happened to me because, oh my god, this smells so good to me. It's like just this clean, beautiful fragrance. If you have not smelled this, go in and smell it. Now, to me, sweater weather is a little harsher. I can't do sweater weather in a candle. But this flannel, oh, it's so nice. Oh my god, it's just a clean, beautiful scent. Try it if you haven't already, and if you have in the past, maybe give it another try, because I've passed this one I can't tell you how many times, and this year it's just bomb to me. So oh yes, so this will be one that I might burn, you know, in our movie area, or even in the bedroom or bathroom or something like that. It took me 2 attempts, but I finally got them, and I just went for some plain, well, they're not plain, they're like bedazzled sparkly ones, and I just felt like this would match my home whatever season that comes up. So I got these, and I love them. This one is a little bit a just a glitter one, I would say, in crystals or something. And it has the rose gold at the top. And then this one, I have 2 of these. And this one is the one with the jewels and the pearls on it. And it has the gold at the top there. So yeah. Love them. They cost me so much problems though. But oh my god, I finally got them. So, and then guys, I'm going to show you the stuff my daughter picked up. She is so rotten. So every single time I went in there, she had to get something. So the first time we went in, she got herself a little flower here. And I think this is a little fall flower. It's cute. I do like it. She is getting at the age where she wants to have little girly things. So yeah, I like the stuff too, so I went ahead and bought that for her. It's so cute. And this was $6.50, and then she wanted herself a little unicorn to go on her purse. And this was $7.75. So yeah, and this little unicorn lights up as well. Oh, the last couple things that I picked up are just some hand sanitizers. I picked up these foaming mousse hand sanitizers, and I thought these were really cute. This one is in Boardwalk Vanilla Cone, and it just looks like this. It has like a little sloth on top of an ice cream cone, which I thought was super cute. And then I got this one, and it's just the, which one is this? Oh, Perfect Peach Day. So yeah, Perfect Beach Day. My goodness, I can't see y'all. I need my glasses on. But yeah, this one is another foaming mist, and it has a little seal. I think it's a seal or a little mermaid cat or something. I don't know what that is on there, but it's cute. I love the color. Picked up this one, and it's a kitty unicorn, and it is in the fragrance Hallelujah Sun. So this smells good. This is my daughter's though. So this will probably go in her little unicorn here. She loves unicorns and cats, so that is her jam right there. To show you the home item that I got. Guys, when I tell you that I was like, oh my god, this thing is so cute. You know I love Bath and Body Works owls. Look. No, they didn't do this year. This is so cute, guys. So this is a little soap holder, and I had to have this thing. It was overpriced, yes, but it was I had a coupon, so I didn't really sweat it too much. But yeah, I love their owls. I think they do such a beautiful job on their owls. And with that, I'm going to end my Bath and Body Works haul and just show you a couple of things that I picked up from the home goods store as well as Hobby Lobby. So stay tuned. So I only have a few things, as I said, from the home goods and Hobby Lobby store. So let me just show you now. And they're fall related. So look at this. Oh my goodness. It is a beautiful pumpkin that is in that beautiful crackled glass look that I love. But I thought this was so pretty, and it was only $7.99. So I went ahead and picked it up. As I said, I'm not going to be buying a whole lot of fall decor this year because I have a lot of it. So I'm not going to be going crazy. I wouldn't mind finding some pillows or something if I could, but I'm not going to be like, you know, out there searching the world over for it. So, and then let me just show you the last thing I got from Home Goods. I picked up these 2 Dunn mugs, and they just look like this. And can you guys see these? They have chai on it and then cocoa. And I am a big tea drinker as well as cocoa in the fall, so I thought these were really pretty. And these were $5.99. I love these Dunn mugs. Once you start drinking out of these mugs, you don't want any more mugs. This is like the perfect, I don't know, like perfect fit. However they make these, it's just like perfect in your hand. Yes, I love these mugs. So I have quite the little collection growing of Dunn stuff. Now I'm not going crazy and just buying whatever I see. It has to be something that speaks to me. So, and I don't care if it's a long letter or these kind of prints. What is it, the typewriter print? I'm not picky about things like that. It just has to be something that speaks to me and something that I love for me to buy it. So yeah, I really did like these, so I picked those 2 up for the fall. And then from Hobby Lobby, I only picked up 2 things, and they are these little cute fall pumpkins. Aren't these cute? So these are just in this beautiful color. So that's why I picked them up, and it matches my kitchen perfectly. So I went ahead and picked them up. And I wish they had a third one because it would have looked so nice on my windowsill. But no, they didn't. These do light up. And they were $5.99 originally with I think it was 50% off they were doing that day. So I went ahead and picked those up. And so yeah, guys, that's all I picked up. I think I'm just about done on the pumpkins. I would love to find a beautiful silver pumpkin or gourd or something like that. I would love to find something like that, or some beautiful pillows. But like I said, I'm not gonna sweat it if I don't see it. I hope that you have enjoyed this little video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel and hitting that notification button. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.